What's up? What's up? What's up? So today we talking about body armor. Now you got many damn forms of different body armor. You got the soft kind, or just the soft short kind. You got the steel. Well, this one's the same soft one, but this one cover more of the body. And then you got ceramic body armor, which is fucking really heavy, and I don't wear this shit. Yeah, this fucking shit is heavy. Now these two can stop majority handgun rounds. It can definitely stop 45. I think they even showed it stopping a Magnum or something like that. But I have to look at it again. These things can stop pretty much handgun rounds. This thing is heavy. This can stop rifle rounds. All this is you know, when you go to outdoor range and you shoot at a steel plate, that's pretty much what this is in here. They got this cover over it, the sole over it, so when bullets hit it, it ain't hitting up in your face. So they wrapped it in this material where it don't shatter. So once it hit it, it stays in here instead of hitting and shattering. You know, when you go to the range, you can't stand too close to a steel target because it splatters and can potentially hurt or kill you. Now this damn thing, I don't like it. I thought when I ordered this, I thought that it was going to be a little bit lighter because it was ceramic. But this damn thing is heavy. Now this I've seen videos of them shooting rifle rounds at it, and it took about 2 or 3 of them before it started failing. High caliber rifle rounds, not regular caliber rifle like the high end ammo, like armor piercing. It took about 3 of them, and then it finally started collapsing. This is heavy. The ceramic, I don't know what else. Let's see. I don't know what else they have in this one, but I know it's compact ceramic. This thing is very heavy, and I can't carry this. So, this kind of got some weight to it too, but it's manageable. I'll show you the difference. Okay. No, let's do this. See how heavy the difference is in the weight? Dropping them, I'm dropping the same distance. That's too damn heavy. Now imagine carrying 2 of these on you. One in the front and one in the back. But my favorite ones is depending on what I'm using it for, is these two. So this one protects more like the heart, and this pretty much the heart and anything in this area. Let's go down. So yeah, it protects up in here. Now, this one protects pretty much all of this shit. So, and Like I said, it can take majority handguns. Definitely take a 9. It can withstand a 9, 45, 10, 40 cal. I mean, like I said, it even took a Magnum round. So I would say this one is more like if you concealing, like putting it under, like, well, not a wife beater, but putting it like if you got a concealed vest or something. This'll work good for that. Protect your vitals. Now, if you got like a plate carrier, this works good for it. So I'm gonna show you what this look like in a plate carrier. All right, so this is a plate carrier, and this is with the long one I showed you in there. So pretty much fill out from light. It pretty much fill out from down here all the way. Let's see, where is it at? Up here and the side. So just pretty much fill out, and the back is the same way. It's light. It don't weigh me down. Now, if I had to wear this, no way. This thing feel like I'm wearing bricks. I would not recommend this. Well, not this model. Yeah, this thing is damn heavy. This is the one I have in here. So, I actually ordered 2 of these, but I got a discount on the spare one, I guess, so I got a spare one, which I'm probably going to wait again until they have another discount and buy one for my other vest. My other one is kind of similar to this, but it don't have the things where I can connect the stuff at. It's just pretty much the vest, and that's it. But the this one is not bad. I mean, it's got some weight to it, but it's not heavy like that other one. This one is manageable. If you was gonna wear this, you can wear this and it will stop rifle rounds. AKs, 5.56, 300 blackout, which I was shocked that this thing took this, but it took a 300 blackout and AK round. So if you want to go into more rifle rounds, that 44 mag, it took it. So that's my little chat about body armors. Oh my God, this cat is getting on my damn nerve. I forgot I got a cat. You gotta look at my TikToks. I'll explain how I got her, but yeah. So stay tuned to the next one, and I keep y'all updated.